Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we're going to be doing another tutorial on the Knotty Irishman knot. Now for this knot, you are going to need 4 rings. You can get them in either silver or brass colored, and you can get them from craft stores or Walmart. So let's go ahead and undo the knot, take off the vest, and begin. So we're going to start this knot with the blade on the right hand side, the tail on the left. We're going to go ahead and get our crease in the top. We're going to bring it to the center. Now we're going to bring the tail of the tie over, around the back, and around the front one more time to create a belt around what will become the waist of the knot. Now we're going to bring this over the top and through the middle. Now we're going to fold this. We're going to fold the tail in half, just like this, with the fold on the inside. This is going to give it a nice tight shape when it sits next to itself. Now we take our first 2 rings here, and we're going to thread the tail through the rings and bring them both up to the top to kind of just keep them out of the way. We're going to loop around the bottom, and we're going to thread through the rings one more time from back to front. And then we're going to take this loop, or the tail here, and we're going to bring it up and through the top. Now, we're going to take the topmost ring and we're going to lift it up. So now we've got the top and the bottom leaf to our 4-leaf clover. Now from here, we're going to take the tail and bring it over from left to right. And we're going to insert one more ring, just like that. Now here's where it gets tricky. The loop that's coming down, we want to get a little bit of space in here and thread the tail through without losing the ring off the end of the tail. So you can hang on to the ring, that little bit of space, I'll argue with it a little bit, and thread that in. All right, now, as you pull this tight, you're just gonna get a little bit of that slack to be pulled in. So this is the rightmost ring. This is gonna come over. Now we're going to thread this ring through, just like that. This is going to come around the back, and we're going to thread it through the right hand ring. Let me back into focus here. Thread it through the right hand ring. Now, because this line went under the first and over the second, we have to reverse that. So it has to go over the first and under the second vertical layer. So we're going to reach back into here . Let's get this back over here where it belongs. So we're reaching under the same way we did with this one, and we're going to thread through there. You can see just bring it right across, and you can see how it creates a little diamond framework once you fiddle with the knot and smooth it out. And the important thing is that as you manipulate it to straighten it out, all you got to do is just pull it from the first part that you looped through, then pull the second, then pull the third, then pull the fourth, and that's how you're going to tighten up the knot. Now, we're going to thread this back through the ring here. So each ring has 2 loops going through it to secure. These 2 here, these 2 here, these 2, and then underneath, these 2. Now we're going to bring this around the back. Now to secure this, you don't want to just tuck it in because that's too loose. So to secure this, we're going to bring this up and through the collar from front to back. I prefer from front to back, through the collar, and then that will allow us to slide it behind the knot and then into the space between the collar button and the second button. From there we can just tuck it so that it is comfortable. And then we give the rings a little bit of a pull just to straighten them out. And then we bring our collar down. From there we can grip the blade of the tie and put our fingers on either side of the knot and adjust it as needed. So that's it for the Knotty Irishman knot, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you're seeing here, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime that I'm streaming or release a new video. Have a good day and take care.